Did you know that you can monetize your YouTube videos on the go? You no longer have to be tethered to your computer to manage your videos. In this video, you'll learn how to monetize your YouTube videos just using your iPhone. One of the greatest benefits of turning on ads for a YouTube channel is that you can generate a passive income. After you've turned on monetization for YouTube videos, you don't have to touch it anymore. You'll automatically generate revenue from your videos day after day, year after year, by displaying AdSense ads across your videos. That's a beautiful thing indeed. I'm assuming your channel's already met the minimum eligibility requirements for monetization. If not, I'll mention them after I show you the steps on how to monetize YouTube videos on your phone in 2019. Here are the steps to monetize your YouTube videos from your iPhone using the YouTube Studio app. Tap on the App Store, enter YouTube Studio in the search box, tap search. Okay, here it is. I've already installed the app, but if you haven't installed it, just click Get. Okay, I'm going to go back to my home screen. Here's the YouTube Studio app icon. Tap the icon. Here's the dashboard window. It shows the first 3 most recent videos. Tap View More to see more videos. Here's all the most recent videos on my channel. The videos with the green dollar icon have already been monetized. Select the video that you wish to monetize. That's the one that doesn't have the green symbol. Now tap How to create a review video. Tap the pencil icon. In this window, you can edit the thumbnail, you can download the thumbnail, edit your title, edit the description, change the privacy settings, add it to a playlist, and edit your tags. We're going to click on the dollar icon. Currently this video is not monetized with ads, so we're going to slide the icon to the right. The first one, display ads desktop only required, has been activated by default. I'm going to activate overlay ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. After you've monetized your video, just tap Save. It says Saving Changes, and that's done. As you'll notice under the title, the green dollar icon has turned to green. That means your video has been monetized for AdSense ads. You can always check your revenue by looking at your estimated revenue. Here are the minimum eligibility requirements to monetize your YouTube channel with AdSense ads. Number 1, be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. To become a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. After that, your channel will be reviewed by YouTube to see if it meets the YouTube Partner Program policies. Your channel must also have no strikes where you violated the community guidelines or copyright policies. You also have to link an AdSense account to your YouTube account. After you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you can turn on monetization for YouTube videos. Did you know that just turning on your ads doesn't guarantee that ads will automatically appear on your video? Before your ads get displayed, they go through an automated and human review to see if they meet YouTube's guidelines. How can you check if your video has been monetized? If it has a green icon next to it, it means that it's being monetized. If a yellow icon has been activated instead of the green one, that means your video has been demonetized. Demonetization means that your video did not meet the advertiser-friendly guidelines from YouTube. If you want to learn more about demonetization, click the link in the card. So you're probably asking the question, how can I generate revenue from my YouTube channel if I don't meet the requirements of the YouTube Partner Program of 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers? I'm glad you asked. Just watch my next video on 7 alternative ways to generate revenue from a YouTube channel without 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. You'll not only make more money, but you'll make it faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.